Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have day 20 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. For those of you who are new to this channel, this is an advent calendar that Missouri Star Quilt Company puts out every year for the last couple of years now. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing more of this content, and let's go ahead and dive into day number 20. Okay, let's see what's inside. This one's very puffy and light. Sewing machine, oh my gosh, this is adorable. Sewing machine brick building set. You guys, look how cute that is. And I actually just saw, it might have been on Missouri Star's Facebook page, but it might have been like Fat Quarter Shop or somebody else. But somebody was just saying how their child got a Lego sewing machine in their advent calendar today. And that's so funny that we would also get something very similar. And then of course you have Chuck up here as well. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. All right, so here is what the Lego pieces actually look like. It's not Lego brand though, it's definitely some off-brand, but that's okay. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be if you've ever seen the little Lego sewing machine. So I is gonna go ahead and assemble this. I'll show it to you at the very end of this video. And for now, I wanna get to our question for today. So our question for today is, what is the first movie that you saw in theaters? For me, it was The Lion King in 1994. I was 8 years old, so that kind of tells you what my age is. So I'd love to know what yours was. Let me know down below. And here I have the finished sewing machine. My daughter put it together, these cute little non-Legos, if you will. Here's my little spool of thread, this little red spool of thread. Jenny does give you two options here. So you have the option to either have it as a little Christmas ornament, so you can put some string through here. You can obviously turn Chuck in both directions if you want, if you don't like the way that he is in this picture. And then you do have a cute little presser foot here, which I just think is so darling. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, and then she gives you these two little pieces if you don't want to have it as a ornament. So let's see if I can do this on camera. I might have to actually take it off. All right, so here we go. Let's do the other configuration really quick for you. Okay, this is so cute. And actually, I was gonna say, I'm not gonna put it on my tree upstairs because my kids are just brutal when it comes to Christmas decorations. In fact, half my tree is missing already. But I could put it here on my tree downstairs in the sewing room. And then how cute is this? The little hand crank, hand wheel turns. So this is just adorable. Let me know what you think about this below. I think this definitely is my favorite item. And let me know what your first movie was that you saw in movie theaters. All right, bye everybody, have a great day. I will see you tomorrow for day number 21.